Okay, so last sail out, we realized that our jib that we just acquired, threading is coming loose. Okay, so we came back to port, and today's mission is to fix it. Okay, so here's my situation. You can see that the threading is coming undone, and the ideal solution is to pull the whole sail down and have it re-stitched. Well and good, but my concern is, what if I'm out in the water somewhere and I can't do this? I can't find a sewing machine, can't find someone to stitch it. How do I fix it? So I came up with another solution. I'm going to test an emergency repair on this old sail. Okay, stand by. So I was thinking about the young lady who put Gorilla Glue in her hair, and I was thinking, well, if it will work in hair, maybe it will work on my sail. So it was a bad idea with the hair. It may also be a bad idea with the sail, but I'm going to give it a try. First thing I want to do though is pull out all of the stitching that's remaining, clean it up, and we'll go from there. Stand by. Okay, so I've cleaned up the excess thread, and now it's time to lay down the track of glue so that I can place the panels on top of each other. Okay, so as you can see, I've placed a generous bead of glue down the seam where the threading is. So let's lay one panel on top of the other and see what happens. All right, so I laid the one panel on top of the other over the glue, and the thought is I'm just going to let it sit here for an hour or so while I do some more work. And once it sets, I'm going to see if it's on there pretty secure, such that I can roll up the sail and let it cure for a week. Okay, stand by. Okay, so the glue has been applied. It's been sitting here for about 40-45 minutes, and it's in there pretty good. I don't see it moving around, and I think it adhered pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is raise the sail, get it back up there, and furl it in, and let it sit for a week, and come back next week and see how it looks.